Kumusta? We are now on our last lesson of Module 1. Personal na gawain araw-araw. Let's start! Do you remember how to say to wake up? Gumising. Gumising. To say, I need to wake up because I have school today, we say, kailangan kong gumising kasi may pasok ako ngayon. Kailangan kong gumising kasi may pasok ako ngayon. When we're talking about a school as a place or as an institution, then it translates as eskwelahan. Eskwelahan. To say, I'm at school, we say, nasa eskwelahan ako. Nasa eskwelahan ako. Do you remember how to say, where are you? Nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? I'm at school. Nasa eskwelahan ako. Nasa eskwelahan ako. I have school today, so I'm at school. May pasok ako ngayon, kaya nasa eskwelahan ako. May pasok ako ngayon, kaya nasa eskwelahan ako. How would you ask? Do you have school today? May pasok ka ba ngayon? May pasok ka ba ngayon? And how would you ask, does she have school today? May pasok ba siya ngayon? May pasok ba siya ngayon? She has school today. That's why she's at school. May pasok siya ngayon, kaya nasa eskwelahan siya. May pasok siya ngayon, kaya nasa eskwelahan siya. How would you ask? Does he have work today? May pasok ba siya ngayon? May pasok ba siya ngayon? To answer in the affirmative form, like he has, we say, meron. Meron. To go to work or school is pumasok. Pumasok. To say, I need to go to school, we say, kailangan kong pumasok. Kailangan kong pumasok. You need to go to school today. Kailangan mong pumasok ngayon. Kailangan mong pumasok ngayon. How would you say, do you need to go to school today? Kailangan mo bang pumasok ngayon? Kailangan mo bang pumasok ngayon? How about, do I need to go to work today? Kailangan ko bang pumasok ngayon? Kailangan ko bang pumasok ngayon? Yes, you need to go to work today. Oo, kailangan mong pumasok ngayon. Oo, kailangan mong pumasok ngayon. I don't want to go to work today. Ayokong pumasok ngayon. Ayokong pumasok ngayon. And how would you say, I don't want to go to school today? Ayokong pumasok ngayon. Ayokong pumasok ngayon. How would you say, she has school today, so she needs to wake up? May pasok siya ngayon, kaya kailangan niyang gumising. May pasok siya ngayon, kaya kailangan niyang gumising. My mother and father. Nanay at tatay ko. Nanay at tatay ko. To say, my mother and father have work today, we say, may pasok ang nanay at tatay ko. May pasok ang nanay at tatay ko. To go home. In Tagalog, we say, umuwi. Umuwi. So, how would you say, I need to go home? Kailangan kong umuwi. Kailangan kong umuwi. How would you say, I'm at school, but I need to go home? Nasa eskwelahan ako, pero kailangan kong umuwi. Nasa eskwelahan ako, pero kailangan kong umuwi. Do you remember how to say my sibling? Kapatid ko. Kapatid ko. My sibling is at school, but she needs to go home. Nasa eskwelahan ang kapatid ko, pero kailangan niyang umuwi. Nasa eskwelahan ang kapatid ko, pero kailangan niyang umuwi. In Tagalog, every day is araw-araw. Araw-araw. To say, I go to work every day, we say, pumapasok ako araw-araw. Pumapasok ako araw-araw. Here's the verb pumasok, meaning to go to work or to go to school. To use it in the present tense with the pronouns I, you, and he, she, we say, pumapasok ako, pumapasok ka, pumapasok siya. Pumapasok ako, pumapasok ka, pumapasok siya. Do you remember how to say, you need to wake up? Kailangan mong gumising. Kailangan mong gumising. Wake up, wakes up is gumigising. Gumigising. Here's the verb gumising, meaning to wake up. To use it in the present tense with the pronouns I, you, and he, she, we say, gumigising ako, gumigising ka, gumigising siya. Gumigising ako, gumigising ka, gumigising siya. I wake up every day. Gumigising ako araw-araw. Gumigising ako araw-araw. To take a bath or shower, we say, maligo. Maligo. Therefore, to say, I need to take a shower, we say, kailangan kong maligo. Kailangan kong maligo. Here's the verb maligo, meaning to take a bath or shower. To use it in the present tense with the pronouns I, you, and he, she, we say, naliligo ako, naliligo ka, naliligo siya. Naliligo ako, naliligo ka, naliligo siya. To say, what are you doing? We say, ano ang ginagawa mo? Ano ang ginagawa mo? In this question pattern, we used mo, which belongs to the second group of pronouns. In other words, we can also use ko and nya. So how do we say, what is he doing? Ano ang ginagawa niya? Ano ang ginagawa niya? He is taking a shower. Naliligo siya. Naliligo siya. Again, if you want to say it faster, there's no need for the glottal stop. Naliligo siya will become naliligo siya. He takes a shower every day is naliligo siya araw-araw. Naliligo siya araw-araw. Here's the verb matulog, meaning to sleep. To use it in the present tense with the pronouns I, you, and he, she, we say, natutulog ako, natutulog ka, natutulog siya. Natutulog ako, natutulog ka, natutulog siya. How would you say, what is she doing? Anong ginagawa niya? Anong ginagawa niya? Here, we used the contraction for ano ang, which is anong. Anong ginagawa niya? To say she is sleeping, we say natutulog siya. Natutulog siya. How would you say she is sleeping at home? Natutulog siya sa bahay. Natutulog siya sa bahay. To say my mother and father are sleeping, we say natutulog ang nanay at tatay ko. Natutulog ang nanay at tatay ko. My sibling is sleeping at home. Natutulog ang kapatid ko sa bahay. Natutulog ang kapatid ko sa bahay. He is sleeping, but he needs to wake up. Natutulog siya, pero kailangan niyang gumising. Natutulog siya, pero kailangan niyang gumising. Do you remember how to say to go home? Umuwi. Umuwi. Here's a way to use umuwi in the present tense. Umuwi ako araw-araw. Umuwi ka araw-araw. Umuwi siya araw-araw. Umuwi ako araw-araw. Umuwi ka araw-araw. Umuwi siya araw-araw. Here's a list of verbs that we learned today. You can review them again after this video lesson. Mabuhay ka! Congratulations! natapos mo ang module bilang isa. Samahan niyo kami sa Tagalog International. You can download the slide transcripts from our website at tagaloginternational.com. Salamat at paalam!